guys, hope everybody's doing alright. For the ones who still don't know me, my name is Helen and welcome to my art and craft channel, Expressions, the DIY channel. Probably most of us like to be updated with the newest tendency in fashion, either clothes or accessories. For me, I pay more attention in accessories because that's what I create, that's what my business is about, jewelry, accessories, and other stuff to decorate home. If you want to take a look or get inspired with some cool and cute ideas, you're more than welcome to visit my gift shop social medias, Expression the Gift Shop, on Instagram and on Facebook. Anyways, I was telling you about the new accessories in tendency nowadays, that if you realize, most of them are related to the situations that we live now. For example, the mask that we use, or depend on your country that probably you used to use, is an accessory, and then they create a complement for that, which are the famous straps or holders that we know. That at the beginning they didn't make sense for me, I didn't find them necessary, but one day I went out for a lunch, for a walk, and then for an ice cream. So I took my mask twice, and I didn't know where to put my mask. You will probably suggest just put it in a purse and that's it. And I will say, well, Miss Helen don't like to carry a bag or a purse all the time. So I didn't know where to put my mask at that moment, and then I realized that everybody was wearing these straps and holders. They were holding the sunglasses, the glasses, everything. I was like, oh, probably they're useful. Why not to get those? You know, I don't think they need to be part of your accessory collection like a must, but I think they can make your life easier if you don't have a bag, a purse with you. So yes, why not to get those if we really need them? Or a better idea, why not to create some designs, but of course with our style. Hope you like this idea. You know, guys, that I see a lot of people wearing these accessories all the time, but most of them look the same. And you know that I usually wear my own accessories made by me, which look a little bit different from the rest. They look more original, more artisanal, handmade, you know, just different from the rest. You know, guys, I usually encourage people to be unique, to be original, to stamp their own mark. That's great. To be different, you know, different from the rest. I think everybody has their own essence, so just be original. So if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment below, share the video with your friends or in your social medias, and the most important, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time that I upload a new video. Have an amazing day, take care of yourself, and see you next time. Ciao!